So introduce yourself, my brother.
This is a Nidakachi called D3ATH around the round.
This is Bromwell from the Skidum crew.
Well, no, I beg tune. How we fit, how we did? We not get too slack. An elephant man, the madman.
Bang.
For more civilization.
Don't you know? Talking about a revolution sound. Yeah, this is Nature. Ellis representing for fame. Edjahz. Do it. Should have paused the Monsta.
Because we too egotistic, sadistic, pain we are inflict. On the innocent and going against nature. Like we know here say, naturalist the mystic.
Up top. You don't know if you just stay up on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all who not subscribe it, nothing at all, no change. The door is always something, so don't know if you go do. On this show we have some interesting one for my people as usual. Now finally have the energy god, Elephant Man, a speak up on the backlash them have been receiving after the passing of the great Boom Dynamite. The artist never publicly pay him respect to Boom Dynamite, nor I send him condolences to the family and friends of the entertainer. So it's like you have a lot of people that burn a fire upon Elephant Man and say him still carry bad feelings in him heart for Boom. Down to the ground Godzilla Bounty Killer did have a talk in mind pan that and expose couple dirty style from Elephant Man. Now I say it in our previous update people and it look like a that one. It's obvious Elephant never pay him respect publicly, but we don't know if him do it in a private, and basically that the artist are show it and a shun aside the Bounty said.
The people them going ballistic, blood painting the streets like lipstick, crushing the youths them dream. Oh you mean them a crush it like biscuit?
We also have a bad good news to update the people them with. I wanna suppose start saying on the head now that no make no sense for Edjahz. Bad good news, well, may I show no what go on. You see over the bad side, we have popular skanker Monsta Boss, the creator of Lego the Bird, almost lost his life once more again. And the second time this from here the skanker fall out and I said them a temper off him life. Don't know what trouble him in at, but this time it's serious. The first time them attempt off him life, we never seen no damage. Now that time here it look like some serious damage inflict on the popular skanker. Me no want say I can't them can up the skanker cause the skanker no confirm, but it would want look like a that one. I sure no what go on still so you can judge for yourself.
We need to clean up the corner, and give we praise to Hosanna,
Also alongside the update, we have a real meditation track from a big bad artist people. When I say that caliber is not normal, don't feel like I'm joking. We are speak of the big bad Turbulence. Real music lovers have to know that entertainer day. When them man they ain't and not normal around here. Plus him voice a one of a kind. Anyways, the entertainer Lego project out there with all clean-hearted person with a love and respect because a positive message the entertainer send out there. Turbulence execute the process stream new musical workpiece. The exact one wanna see a display on the screen now and then. It is entitled Clean Up Your Corner. So I forgot to do the right and run through that one. But first, me go get the bad good news out of the way. Them attempt off a Monsta Boss life once more again, people. This time it look well serious. Check out what I go on. So the popular skanker Monsta Boss posted that picture on Instagram, people. And as you can see, the skanker mash up from hand to foot. Plaster and bandage all over. As I said before, not sure if a gunshot wounds, but it would have want look that way there. And the next thing, Monsta never elaborate on the attack. Him just made the announcement say them a temper off him life, but he never went on and put more clarity to the attack. Speedy recovery to me soon. Jaja, crying emojis. Them try kill me, but my day I see him where. Who could it be but Jesus? Praying emojis. People at the second time this from here Monsta make the public know say them a try off him life. About a month ago, him put up a similar story. When I remember if a stadium him a come from or some kind of event. But remember him did make the post say them a try off him. Now Monsta, you don't know what them say about the third time. Not many lucky to get past third strike. If them a try off for your life so hard, well a 2 attempts in a short space of time, you really and truly is the target, no doubt. Now say you go on with Buckrick, you literally have bad mind people out there. But definitely you need to look in your life and see which part this has stemmed from. And I mean like right now, make it fast, make it quick, make it speedy. Cause the situation here look more and more serious. People, make me know the thoughts and opinion on the situation so far. As soon as we get more clarity to what went down with Monsta, we definitely I go get the update. So big up the skanker Monsta Boss, me I wish him a speedy recovery.
Go bang! That not gonna make it, we set it and them a try to wreck it. If I feel murder me brother, my lad, me not go step it. Me not go move with the techie, you You know me not select it, just set the regulation.
So that's Bad Artist Turbulence new official audio track entitled Clean Up Your Corner, and it's produced by Beckham Street Music Production. Big up Beckham Street, I still not do it from where they, not just with Turbulence, but with other artists out there as well, including young talents. So I have to give Beckham Street the respect where them truly deserve. Big up on yourself once more. Now to Turbulence. I hear the entertainer I do this, people, I know just now. And every time I hear the artist, it's like me just I hear him for the first time, just to own voice unique. And me rate how music mostly for the ladies them and for wise up the youth them. In this situation, I that a go on. Lone meditation a whole from Turbulence. Him definitely a show the people them the right. You know you're the artist I want and I make the people them know say clean up them corner. And he make sure show us a theme corner clean before him try pick pan somebody else one. That now go make it we set it and them a try for wreck it. If I for murder my brother my lord, me now go step it. Me now go move with the take it, you know me now select it. That is it, Turbulence. Show them the right way. As a chief in the business, as an artist we I do it long now. Love the meditation so far. Talk through it now, people.
Step off your bumps and pride. Step off your pride. Come back to earth. Can't take no more of the war and the amateur.
Respect that bridge there from Turbulence. It was needed right there. Him definitely calm down the tempo of the track and give them a humble message right there in the bridge. Step off your bumps and pride. Come back on earth, can't take the bag of war and homicide. Positive message right there from Turbulence in the bridge. And him delivery of it was calm and amazing. I see that track here I got fire people if you give the right strength. Razor being the whole track catchy. From the intro to the verse them to the bridge them to the chorus. And one time I play the track and it's stuck in my brain. Believe me no man. I find myself I yant it in my head. Till me have to draw back feet, rinse it out and say no man it deserve couple more play. Turbulence, bad artist from morning. We need to see him back on the scene more often. Cause my rate when the messenger voice them unique and powerful. So when them execute it easy to infiltrate the listener ears.
Brother we have to fix up the corner. Nah, nah, nah. Fix it up. Give we praise to Hosanna. Nah, nah, nah.
See the bad chorus there from Turbulence. Me no know what's up with that chorus here, but it have me a hum in my head. Brother, we have to fix up the corner. Nah, nah, nah. Give up praises to Hosanna. Nah, nah, nah. JJ, me try it, but me just can't get it perfect like Turbulence. Bad chorus artist. Yeah man, me love the meditation panda one here. People, do the right thing, show the strength. Also, Turbulence, do the right thing. Give me a music video. Link up back with Beckham Street and the family at the plan. That one here can go big, worse with a visual. So do the right and give the people them the bonus. For now, I recommend me exact people them for run up the numbers on this one. In the meantime, while I now wait for the video, get familiar with it, a bad song from Turbulence. So the link is on the flat. Remember, we're always saving the trouble. You know, big up the artist, big up Turbulence, a wicked man track.
We praise to Hosanna. Nah, nah, nah. So, we do egotistic, sadistic, then we are inflict.
Yeah, and to tell you, Rachel, this is the artist crew and the dancehall scene at the moment. They are the Scare Them crew. And I'm gonna introduce an individual to all the artists in the Scare Them crew. So, introduce yourself, my brother.
This is a Nidakashi Confused Jam around the round. This is Bromwell from the Scare Them crew.
Well, look, I beg tune. What we fit, how we did? We not get too slack. Elephant Man, the madman from the Scare Them production. Take it downtown.
Hello, I'm Daily Bird from the Scare Them gang.
Daily Bird.
What time is it? I boom down the mic, them get a satellite and I get it right. A dead dog.
So the Ground Godzilla Bounty Killer posted that on its Instagram account as a reminder out there. Now as you can see, it's a long time clippings to the Ground Godzilla and the Scare Them crew. And one member alone missing from right there and a Harry Toddler. Anyways, without the Ground Godzilla there wouldn't be a Scare Them crew. Likewise, without a particular member in the Scare Them crew, we wouldn't have a Bounty Killer today, cause at them man they bring the killer gas studio and them think they show him the ropes. And we are speak of the great late Boom Dynamite. And as you can see, killer still a more in the death of him brother by music. Never lost your way and get confused. Remember how this thing started. I planned it. All humble before on stumble. Golden days. At BT Caribbean Rhythm 1996. Definitely sound like a couple shot fired right there from the killer. People left in the comment area and make me know who the thing pick up them candy. Anyways, we finally get a response from Elephant Man. Why I'm often pay him respect to Boom Dynamite publicly yet. Dancehall star Elephant Man has chosen to ignore Bounty Killer's explosive remarks regarding Elephant Man perceived silence in the wake of fellow farmer Scare Them crew member Boom Dandymite's death. "Me nah embrace negativity," he told the Observer Online when contacted Thursday evening. "Oh man finna heard from Dandymite dead. Oh man finna mash up. Oh this finna shoot man. Remember me ear say Dandymite crash and good, and then all of a sudden man ear say Dandymite dead. This no must jerk up man wicked. What you talk about brother?" A hurt Elephant Man said. In response to him silence on Instagram and its other online platforms, he shot back. "Elephant no live for Instagram, I mean no live for people, me live for Almighty the Creator." Elephant Man was a member of the Scare Them crew alongside Dandymite, Harry Toddler, and Nitty Kochi. The crew soared to the top of dancehall charts in the late 1990s, with a slew of hits such as Many Many, Pure Girl, and Bad Man No Dress Like Girl. Dandymite passing hurt me so bad. Me dep on the phone with the man's sister, him brother, him daughter, him baby mother, him father, and to all this shook everybody, he said, his voice cracking up. Boom Dandymite died Sunday morning in hospital in the US after suffering a relapse during his recovery from a car accident in April. Elephant Man said he was one of the first persons to become aware that Dandymite had fallen into a coma on Saturday. The Saturday when Dandymite there in Miami in a coma, Sharon Burr called me and me run them off on my phone. Stop chat foolishness, nothing no go so. Dandymite there see if you and alright, him good and I recover from him crash. Sharon say Ellie it's serious man. A papa son she call and him say him dead. I pray over Dandymite, he revealed. Elephant Man, who is the godfather of two of Boom Dandymite's daughter, said he was surprised at Bounty Killer's comments regarding his silence on Instagram. However, Elephant Man intimidated that his perceived silence was actually a deep paralyzing grief over a brother's death, as he wasn't trying to look no hype off a Boom Dynamite's death. A thinly veiled this directed towards Bounty Killer. Some members said Saturday even before the DJ passed, and me and Papa San dep on the phone when Papa San a pray over him at the hospital. Go ask him that. But true, me don't come out and tell the public that me not live for public, me not live for Instagram, me not live for them thing there. Me not look no hype off a Dandymite death. It shook man and rare, so me not have to come talk nothing. Dandymite and my brother, we write song, we travel together, me they are foreign and me sleep at Boom Yard, he said. Elephant Man said that he had not read Bounty Killer's explosive post, cause me not draw negativity to my attention. This whole thing hurt me. This must mash me up and mash me up wicked. This mash up wicked. I just God brother, I just God. You can't tell my feelings. May God watch over Boom Soul, he said. Elephant Man is now at a show in Vancouver, in Canada. So I heard from Elephant Man people, and just like I'm saying at the report what I do with Bounty Killer, talk about it. We not see Elephant Man pay him respect publicly, but we can't say him this and him that, cause we don't know where I do over there in a private. Say good for no say him address the matter, cause in a real life, at a time I look like a big kitty out there. Remember Boom Dandymite with the hear talk about in people, real youth in the earth, real youth towards a lot of entertainers. So I respect how Elephant Man forward out and clearing name out of the hot seat. People, let me know the thoughts and opinion in the comment area on the current matter. You know, big up all of the artists them, big up the Ground Godzilla, Bounty Killer, big up the Energy God, Elephant Man, and sip up Boom Dandymite, a legend in this. That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers that may stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
Innocent, we going against nature, like we know here say naturalist a mystic. The people them going ballistic. Blood paint in the street.